Well, hello. My name is Steve Osseray, and I'm president of the Rotary Club of Moses Lake. And our big project this year is to do a complete remodel of the Moses Lake Skate Park. Yeah, this skate park was built 26 years ago, and it's in need of an update. So that's what we're trying to do this year: is try to raise money to make this a really cool skate park for the kids. The grand vision is to build bowl over here and some ramps, maybe some grinding ledges over here. Basically add some really cool features to this existing skate park. You can see already that the city of Moses Lake is already painting the half pipe, cleaning this place up a little bit. So that's what our big goal here is, to raise a bunch of money so we can make this a really cool skate park for the kids. So please donate as much as you can. Thanks. Bye.